Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to make creamy potato salad. So I have 4 potato here, but for my potato salad, I'm just going to use 3 of this. So let's go ahead, cook our potato. And now our potato is cooked, so let's set this aside, let this cool off until it is cold enough for us to handle. Cut it into cubes or whatever size you want for your potato. While we set aside our potato, we are going to prepare other ingredients that we are going to use. We need 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Mix it. Now everything is ready, so let's add it all together. This is our potato, the 2 stalk of celery, and also 1 medium size of onion. Once everything is mixed, add our 2 hard-boiled egg in it. And now it's done, and if you prepared to sprinkle paprika in it, you can, just like what I'm doing here. Now it's really done, so what we do next is we can cover it, put it in the fridge, or just serve it directly. And I also put some fresh parsley in it. Thank you for watching. Any suggestion is very much welcome.